So the support pages for the Galaxy A52 and A52 5G and the Galaxy A72 as well have been spotted on Samsung's official website in different countries over the last month or so. Now, United Arab Emirates Samsung has also prematurely published support pages for the upcoming mid-ranges. But that's not only it. Some real-life images of the handset have popped up online. These pictures came from Twitter user Ahmed. This development is a pretty large hint that the announcement of the two Galaxy A series smartphones is imminent and could take place before the end of this month. So if you don't know, the Galaxy A50 and A51 are two of the Samsung's most successful mid-range smartphones ever. So the launch of the Galaxy A52 is interesting. Now, renders of the phone have already given us a good look at its design. Now, the photographs give us a good look at the real device. Also reconfirms a few recently leaked specs like 64 megapixel primary camera and IP68 dust and water resistant rating. Even though the images suggest that the Galaxy A52 will ship with a charger, a leaker claims that only some markets will get power adapter. So no charger in the box thing is getting real. Now, the phone looks quite good thanks to the matte finish on the back. Samsung seems to be going for an understated design this time around. As you can see, the lack of any sorts of line across the back or any kind of crazy gradient. The Galaxy A52 is rumored to come in two flavors, a 5G ready variant with 120Hz Super AMOLED panel and Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G, and another 4G only edition with 90Hz panel and Snapdragon 720G. The screen is expected to measure 6.5 inches and will likely have a resolution of Full HD+. Now on paper, the Snapdragon 720G is capable enough, but then again we will have to wait and see. Now other leaked specs include 4500 mAh battery with support for the 25W fast charging. And for complete specs of the Galaxy A52 LTE or 5G, click on the cards to check out my video on my other channel. The Galaxy A52 will be bringing back another feature that went missing from Samsung's mid-range devices a couple of years ago, is optical image stabilization. Yeah, that's great. Now thankfully, rumors suggest that all these features won't result in higher price tag. The Galaxy A52 is expected to launch for €369 in Europe, same as the launch price of the Galaxy A51 from 2019. Now let's talk about the next-gen Galaxy watches. It has been 6 months since Samsung unveiled the Galaxy Watch 3. According to Ice Universe, Samsung will release two Galaxy Watch 4 series smartwatches, the Galaxy Smart Watch 4 and the Galaxy Smartwatch Active 4. And yes, Samsung appears to be skipping the Galaxy Watch Active 3 model name this year to bring the Galaxy Watch Active series numbering in line with the Galaxy Watch series. Makes sense. Now the both Galaxy watches could be released sometimes in the second quarter of this year. Now that's earlier than Samsung's usual third quarter release time frame for its smartwatches. The next generation Galaxy smartwatches are rumored to bring non-intrusive blood glucose level reading. That's interesting, but what is more interesting is it is also being rumored that at least one of the Samsung's upcoming smartwatches will switch from Tizen to Google's Wear OS platform. It is still not clear if Samsung has decided to completely ditch its own Tizen platform in favor of Google's wearable platform, or if it's just testing the water right now. We don't know. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys want to see more episodes like this, please hit the like button, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.